match in this best of 5. It's time to get on the Rift and find out who will be the first European team for Worlds. And Huni is going to look for more. That's a kill there for Yellowstar. They're going to continue to chase. Wind Slash into Cocoon. The volatile spiraling. Raynov has got a second of the game. Huni even gets out. Yellowstar decides to re-engage, but the taunt Vardags is just destroyed by Featherfin. And for the 19th consecutive time, Fnatic are the victors.
Coming to their leg. Flash,
Good job, nice. Good job.
See me flash there, can flash. I'm getting
And
their
Rumble
leg.
Alpha mid is 20 Sibir. I'll hold, I'm making consent.
Guys,
Go! Good job!
Good job,
Getting towers, guys.
Ghosts up as well. The engage finds Power of Evil. With him out the fight, a lot of the damage is removed. Vardags gets crit down. 1 game away from guaranteeing an appearance in the World Championships.
So the only topics we can talk is about Fabian's snake, poop, and all this disgusting stuff, right? So
Why Fabian's
You
snake?
say my snake is disgusting?
Yeah, wow.
Whatever.
Another tower.
Well, we'll find out. Fnatic the same wheel started. There's the equalizer. Intervention is out and Power of Evil is swinging. Chachi taunted. I think that was a 4-man knocker from Yellowstar. Huni goes golden as Fnatic want another goal. They want to get to the finals. It's a triple kill for Reckless. It's a quadra kill for Reckless. The Power of Evil's run away.
I speed you.
Get in! Fnatic go 21-0 in the summer split and will be heading to the summer finals in Stockholm.